how can I get out of debt? Start by canceling any of the subscriptions you don't use. A lot of us have gym memberships you don't even go to. Get rid of anything that you're paying for that you're not actually going to. So go through all your statements, make sure that you're not just wasting money on something you're not using anyway. The other thing is try to budget whatever the money is that you're spending every month. Try to reduce any unnecessary spending. That's probably the least favorite thing to do, but if there's anything that you're spending money on that you don't need, get rid of it. The big one is going to be, how do you make more money? That's really going to be, take extra hours at work. That's going to be the simplest thing. The next one is going to be, can you sell anything? Do you have old clothes, shoes, bags? Sell them on Poshmark, Mercari, or other places like that. If you have old kids' toys, or you have some clothes, or any home goods, you can sell things on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, flea markets. Do you have some property? If you have some property and land, maybe you can rip some of that up and grow some flowers, food, or spices. So flowers, there's a lot of bulbs that you can get, and then you can also have fresh cut flowers or pots. You can sell those at farmers markets, or if you get in good with a florist, maybe you can sell some of your flowers there. Food, you'll have to get some additional licensing, but fruits, vegetables, generally things that grow pretty quick, sell pretty well. I've seen a lot of people make money on things that are more local, that don't ship well. So if you focus on those types of vegetables. Spices, I also grow saffron. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world. I've seen this several thousands of dollars a pound for saffron. So you could bake goods. So I ran a bakery at one point in time. I just had to get a food handler's certificate, and I rented a commercial bakery one day a week and then sold things on farmers markets. If you're good with art, or if you're good with computer and can hire somebody else for the art, you can do print on demand. You can do Redbubble or Printify. Amazon has something that you have to apply to, but those are all good. I would probably start with Redbubble there. If you like to write, you can write a book or write a small pamphlet published on their platform, so they handle all the logistics, similar to Redbubble and Amazon also handle the logistics for print on demand. You can make something if you're good with your hands, and you can make crafts or anything like that, tables, Etsy, or you could go to a flea market. If you create content online, such as this that you're watching, YouTube, you can use Google AdSense. So with the affiliate marketing, I'm in the affiliate marketing program with Amazon, so they pay me 3 or 4% of anything that gets clicked below, not on this channel, but some of my other channels. Other affiliates with Walmart and Home Depot and Lowe's, and it's probably thousands of other businesses. You could also sell food and drinks through vending machines. The other one that I see that's big right now that you can pick up as you want is transportation. So if you do transportation of people, you could be talking about Lyft or Uber. If you do food, you could do Uber Eats or DoorDash or Grubhub. If you want to transport things, this is more of a consistent thing, but Amazon as well. So these are just a couple of ideas that come off the top of my head of, if I try to make more money and I want to do it in a short time frame, these are a couple of the ideas that I could just come up with. The quickest way to probably make more money is take extra hours, sell any of the stuff that you have laying around the house. At least you clean up your house as well. And then transportation, if you do have a car, make sure if you're transporting the people, you may want to look into the insurance that you may need, because you don't want to get in a car accident and not be covered as a commercial vehicle. Create content online. It's probably going to take you about 160 videos and about 15 months on average to start making money on YouTube. 2 of my other YouTube channels are pretty small. They make about $800 to $1,200 a month. Anything that you grow is going to take at least a season